You're watching Football Daily. This is the top 10 Champions League scorers. At number 10 is Zlatan Ibrahimovic, with 38 goals in 98 Champions League games, including 7 in 4 for PSG already this season. In at 9, Alessandro Del Piero. The Juventus legend scored 51 goals in 18 years for the Bianconeri. Number 8 is Didier Drogba with 42 goals, including 34 for Chelsea, making him the club's record goalscorer in Europe. He may have been born offside, but Filippo Inzaghi was a prolific goalscorer in the Champions League, with 46 goals in 81 games. The 2004 Ballon d'Or winner Andrei Shevchenko is number 6, with 48 goals in 100 Champions League games. Number 5 is Arsenal legend Thierry Henry, with 50 goals in 112 games, including 42 for the Gunners. In at number 4 is Ruud van Nistelrooy, with the Dutchman scoring an impressive 56 goals in 73 appearances. Number 3 is Cristiano Ronaldo, who now holds the record for the most Champions League goals scored in a calendar year, with 14 so far in 2013. In second place is Lionel Messi. The 4-time Ballon d'Or winner is now closing in on the record set by the one and only Raul. The Madrid icon is a 3-time winner, scoring 71 goals in 142 games, making him the top scorer in Champions League history. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see in the next top 10, and remember to subscribe to Football Daily.